Class 5th. I hope that you all are fine. So let's continue with the third chapter only. In the previous classes, we have studied about the organs of breathing. Today we are going to learn about organs of feeding. Our first topic is herbivores. What is our first topic? Herbivores. In the previous days I've also explained you what are herbivores. Herbivores are animals that eat only plant or plant product. So let's see. The animal like cows and horses have sharp front teeth or incisors for cutting the plants. They have sharp front teeth for cutting the plant. Front teeth also known as incisors. We have 4 types of teeth. What they are? Incisors, canines, molar and premolar. So we have 4 types of teeth. What they are? Incisors, that is something like that. Canines, like that. Molars and at last premolars. 4 types of teeth we have: incisors, canines, molar and premolars. So herbivorous animal have incisors are sharp for cutting the plant. They also have strong and broad molars for chewing. Chewing means chavana. So they have sharp incisor teeth for cutting the plant and strong and broad molars for chewing the grass or plants. Then our next topic is rodent. What are rodent? Animals like rat, squirrel, which have long and sharp front teeth are known as rodent. What are rodents? Animal like rabbit, rat, they have sharp and long front teeth. They are known as rodents. Now, rodents like rabbits, rats and squirrels have long and sharp front teeth to gnaw the seed and fruits. Rodents have sharp and long front teeth to gnaw the seed and fruit. Gnaw means to bite. Their teeth are so strong and sharp that they bite the seed and fruit. Means kuturna. Now, our next topic is insects. Insects like mosquitoes and butterflies have a feeding tube called proboscis. Proboscis is a tube, which is feeding tube by which they suck the liquid. You have seen the mosquito when they sit on your body, how they suck their blood. It is something like needle shaped. That is a tube. Actually, it is a tube for sucking the liquid. That is known as proboscis. Mosquito have large needle-like proboscis, whereas butterfly have coiled proboscis. They have coiled shaped proboscis. Butterfly have. Now our next topic is carnivores. What is our next topic? Carnivores means the animal that eat only the flesh of other animal are known as carnivores. Carnivores like lion, tiger and jackals that eat flesh of other animals have sharp and pointed canines. Just now I have shown you the figure of the teeth also. They have sharp and pointed canines to tear the flesh. To tear means you can say farna. To tear the flesh. They also have strong grinding teeth. Grinding means to mix it. They have strong grinding teeth to chew the flesh and crush the bones. So these are the feeding habitats of herbivores, rodent, insects and carnivores. Now we are going to learn about the birds. We are going to learn about the birds. Birds of prey like eagles and kite have sharp, strong and hooked beak. Beak means chonch. They have hook shaped beak and claws. Claws means panje, to catch and hold and tear the flesh. Their feet, or you can say their legs, are developed to catch, hold and tear the flesh of the prey. Prey means, you can say, an animal that is eaten or killed by another animal, means shikar. They have a strong hooked beak. Beak means, just now I have told you what is beak. They have hooked shaped beak, and their claws are well developed to catch, hold and tear the flesh of the other animals. Now we are going to learn about the movements in animal. What we are going to learn? Movement in animals. Animals have to move in search of their food, to build or find shelter and protect themselves from their enemies. Their body parts help them to move differently. Now animals, why they move from one place to another in the search of food and to find the shelter where they live and protect themselves from their enemies. So parts of their body help them to move differently. Insects move different way, birds move in different ways. Now we are going to learn about the movement in insects. What we are going to learn? How insects move. Movement in insects. Insects have 6 legs. Most insects use their 6 legs to move. Most of the insects, what they do? They use all their legs to move. Ants and cockroaches crawl on their legs. Crawl means rengna. So they use to move on the ground by their legs. Grasshoppers use their long hind leg to hop, and they have hind leg, back leg are they develop like little bit L shaped, that is known as hind leg. They use them, grasshopper use them to hop. Butterflies, bees and houseflies have wings to fly. They have wings to fly. Their wings are different from bird's wing, but their wings are different from the bird's wing. They do not have bones, strong muscles or feathers. Butterfly or housefly do not have bones and strong muscles or feather on their body to move. They are made up of tiny scales. Butterflies and wasps have 2 pair of wings. 2 pair means 4. 2 pair in single pair 2. So 2 pair means 4. Have 2 pair of wings, while houseflies have only 1 pair of wings. Butterfly and wasp have 2 pair of wings, while housefly have only 1 pair of wings. So this is about the movement, how the insects move. Now, as you can see in the figure, the development feature, how they fly. Here, this is known as hind leg. This is little bit L shape like this. Their leg is like this. So this is the hind leg by which grasshopper hops. Just now I have told you. Now our next topic is movement in land animals. Means the animals that live on land, how they move. Many animals have 4 limbs. The front limbs are called forelimbs and the limbs at the back are called hind limbs. Hind limbs means back leg and forelimbs means front leg. Limbs means legs. So some animals use all the 4 limbs. Means some animal uses all their 4 legs. Some use only 4 limbs to hold the things, and some use only their front leg, or you can say 4 limbs to hold the things, and some use only the hind limbs. Means some uses all the 4 and some uses only 4 limb, that is front one, and some uses only the hind limb, that is back one. Now after that, herbivorous, we are going to learn about the herbivores, how they develop their limbs, how they walk. That we will learn in the next class, class 5th. I hope that you got till to here what I have explained you. Please do a thorough revision, and we will continue with our lesson in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Please do a thorough revision, please.